Hey guys, welcome back to the Little Country Acres. Got our insulation all done. All the pipes are nicely insulated. The water heater is insulated. We got our recirculator pump mounted. I'm not going to insulate the top of this because this water heater is going to be, it's warm by nature, so it'll be warm inside of this. So there's a little timer for it. You know, you can set it to run how many hours a day you want. But I got my T111 siding painted and ready to get it cut out and installed. So we'll seal this thing up. I should mention, guys, I was able to get a pretty good cut on all of this stuff right here, even down along this bottom. And what I did was I cut this piece of wood, and I cut a point into it. I screwed the T111 onto the wall, and then I just ran this down the wall with a pen behind it, or a pencil, I mean, and I just captured the profile. Now I cut this out so it would slide behind it, but I was able to capture the profile all the way down, and you can see even right here. So then whenever I cut it, then I was just able to slide it right up against it, and it gave it a nice fit. So I can caulk that good, and then I should never have any issues with it, but you kind of get the gist of where this is going. This is going to be the door, but it's not going to be this winter. I'm just going to screw this on because I have too many other projects that I've got to get on, and I don't need access to this. If I do, all I've got to do is pull a few screws out of the front of it, and then it'll be fine. In the spring, I'll cut this out, hinge it, build myself the door, and it should be good. The roof is, I think I might have said this, 412 pitch on this, so it'll get plenty of runoff, and this thing should stay nice and dry, nice and warm, blah blah blah. So anyway, back to it. This is window door siding and trim caulking. I'm going to give it a nice bead up here. And this is going to get, this roof is going to get, this is kills on it right now. It's going to get painted, and then I'm either going to put corrugated metal over it or shingle it. Haven't decided which yet, but I'll come back before I do that, and I'll put a flashing along here. This right here is just a temporary thing. I mean it'll stay in there, but I'm not expecting this to carry all the hard weight and do it all. It needs more than this, but this will work for right now, for sure. Pretty good. I won't video me flashing it or putting the finished metal on it because I don't think that you guys really care to see that. But as it stands, until I get a little bit better weather and I've got more time, then I'll get this door cut out. And that'll be it. So, anyway, I believe she's going to stay nice and dry. So anyway, thanks again for watching, guys.